construction on Lake Street Bridge in Elmira is expected to resume on March 15th, with plans to convert the structure into a multi-use pedestrian and bike connection. The contractor will continue repairs under the bridge and start work to repair the bridge deck next week. Work for the 2021 construction season includes installing a new deck surface, updating the railing system, and installing landscaping the full length of the bridge. The bridge is scheduled to open to pedestrian and bicycle users by October 2021. City officials have told 18 News that the bridge could eventually be used for events such as farmers markets or craft fairs.